Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. With popular features, also include remote start, iPod adapter, rear view camera, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.